There's a real passion here in this city, which is hard to describe to people. We'll tell you how it is, but also we are the most welcoming city.
Right, boys, how's it going? Busy?
Yeah. We've got a real friendly neighbourhood spirit here because everyone knows everyone. It does feel a bit like the world's biggest village.
Lovely. G'day, Jack.
In my lifetime, I've seen Cardiff develop dramatically to an outward-looking, multicultural, diverse, modern city. It's got this real distinct character, real distinct edge. People come to this city and they say, I cannot wait to go back to Cardiff. Art galleries, museums, top restaurants, great bars, a castle, so much history, and an amazing stadium. Slap bang in the centre of the capital city. Cardiff is very much a top sporting destination. You can watch top-class cricket at Sapphire Gardens. We've had the Ashes. We've also hosted a World Cup final in rugby union as well. And not forgetting the Champions League final, Real Madrid beating Juventus. So people see Cardiff wherever you are in the world. It's a city that loves its sport and, most importantly, has got my football team. This football club runs through my veins and always has done. This is my love and my passion. I used to go down with my uncles every Saturday afternoon, and I can still remember the smell of the grass and then seeing the floodlights, and those memories never ever leave you. When your team score in the last couple of minutes, my goodness, it's the best feeling ever. I would not want to be anywhere else. I'm fiercely, fiercely proud to be from Cardiff. I love the swagger about this city.